our stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 48 inches, a depth of 30 inches, overall height 34.5 inches tall. Thickness of the table will include 1 3/4 inches. Coming to the bottom, measurement for the shelf will be 41.5 inches in length by 22.25 inches in depth. Height from the bottom shelf towards the top of the table will include 20 inches tall. Coming to the left is the NSF certification, and the film can be peeled off. That's protecting the stainless steel finish. Our table will hold and support weight of the equipment that we sell through Cooler Depot, such as griddles, burners, broilers, and much more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.